Hi guys, this is Sylvia and welcome to my Inbox Equalizer review. So this is my Inbox Equalizer review and I am here right inside of the members area of Inbox Equalizer. I'll give you a walkthrough, guys. I have a sales page for you, and then we'll be going to my bonus page, and I'll attach the link to my bonus page below my video, and from that link you can buy the Inbox Equalizer should you decide this is a product for you. So guys, in a nutshell, Inbox Equalizer is an email marketing training combined with a software that is going to help you make your headlines more eye-catching, better headlines, and the other part of the software is going to check the email copy, so the email content for you will help you improve that content, which as a result is going to improve the deliverability. So, well, this way your emails will be delivered to the inbox, not the spam box, okay? So people actually receive your emails, and if you make the headlines more eye-catching, the likelihood of them actually opening the emails will be larger, so it will increase the open rate as well. Well, if that's something for you guys, I would say this is for people who know this and that on email marketing already, who have an email list. I don't know about newbies. Personally, I wouldn't probably recommend it to the newbies. It's for people who know a thing or two about email marketing and they want to improve the deliverability and the open rates, the click rates, all of that. So you guys, if that's for you, then stick with me and let's go through the product. Let's first check what the sales page says, what they claim. So engaging your customers and writing emails becomes a lot easier than you apply the Reloaded solution. Best part, this push button solution comes with extensive and easy to apply training, so that even if you're a stone cold newbie, I would argue with that, but okay, with no list, the software will work. It's magic for you. Personally, guys, I think it's more for people who already have an email list, and then with this software you will improve this and that. But I have already discussed it. Anyhow, let's carry on reading. So Inbox Equalizer is a powerful solution for the new, intermediate, and even advanced email marketer who wants to get the most out of every email they send. So yeah, it will improve the send, where the email actually goes. So that it goes to the inbox again. This unique tool will get you more sales by exploding your open rates and putting your deliverability on steroids, okay? Using distinctive combination of real-time subject line ratings and content fixing technology, yeah. This push button software takes your existing emails and literally makes them better. But that's not even all this cool tool can do for you. So there is much more this cool tool can do for you. Guys, I'd encourage you to check the sales page in your own time. Let's jump to the members area. I want to show you the product. So what do you have? You have obviously the dashboard, then you have the welcome videos from the people behind the product. Okay, so watch the welcome video. Then you have the tools. And the cool thing is that you have further training on how to actually use the tools. So you have explained how to go about the software, how to use the software to improve the headlines and the email content. So there you have it. So hit mailbox subject generator, explained, and then hit mailbox content, explained as well. Right, and then we have the software. So the first part of the software is the subject line generator. So this part of email equalizer software will help you write better headlines. Okay, so you have many, like you will type in the keyword, and you like use a number, use a question, how to. Okay, you will have all explained in the video training. And this second part, so the first part was about how to improve the headlines, right? And the second part of the software is about how to make the content again more attractive to the readers, and you know, how to improve it. So you can, okay, what you can do is you can pick a niche, let's say make money online, and then you can choose a swipe, okay? Or you don't actually have to do that. You can just type in your own whatever you want, like hi, okay, what do I say? My name is Sylvia and I will help you make money, not nanny, money, online. Okay, as you can see, it has already, you know, highlighted this word money. Okay, and then we can check what we can use what word we can use instead of money. So let's check, you see, how we can change it. Okay, so there you go. So you can, instead of O, it put a 0 here. You see, these are the little things that decide on where your email actually ends up, in inbox or in the junk box. So it's the little things like tricks and tips they give you here. It's quite cool, I must say. Okay, and then we have it actually in Spanish, like a Spanish version of it. Cool. I think that one of the guys who's behind this product is Spanish. So we've got the full training here. So like a demo training on like quick explanation, check deliverability, case study 1, 2, and what's next. So you have that in the training. You've got some additional training, so leak of list builder. Okay, and you've got some email secrets. Okay, you've got some done for you, like a campaign list as well. So I guess they give you some email swipes as well, done for you. And then we have the bonuses. You will find all of the bonuses on the sales page as well, guys. So here's the bonuses. They give you 1 to 3. Cool. And then we have the upgrades here in the members area, and obviously you have the support. Anyhow, let's head over to my bonus page, guys. So here you have like some explanation about what this product does for you, but I already explained it for you. Here we have like I put all the funnel, so the front end and all of the upsells. They are like from what I can see, 1 to 3. How many upsells? Just a second one. Okay, so you have the front end, so for $17 reloaded, and then you have the front end 2 for $21, so plus like email swipe 5 plus. Okay, and some like done for you campaigns as well. Anyhow, there's a lot to go through, guys. I'm not gonna just read it out for you. I have put all of the information here. Probably the pro version would be the one to go as well, because you get like a bunch of stuff here done for you, swipes and like campaigns as well. Then we have the upsell number 2 for $17. Upsell number 3 is for $67, and the downsells as well. It's quite a lot of stuff to go through. I mean, I'm not gonna bore you and just read it out for you. You can do it yourself. I mean, like, if that's something you are interested, guys, the link to it is below my video. And here's some bonuses as well. I mean, you'll have a demo as well here.
Hundreds and hundreds, and it's giving you an. And I want to show you the Inbox Equalize Reloaded stuff and all that can do for you. So let's go to the screen and see.
Okay, as you can see, I put the demo on my bonus page as well, so it is like explained all like you know, obviously this guy made the product. He will explain to you much better, right, than I can ever explain. But you know, it's not a complicated, you know, product or software. It's, you know, about email marketing and improving this and that, so you actually, that your emails actually get into the like inbox, not the junk. It's very simple. I mean, but well, it is simple, but it's important. Obviously, it's going to improve your sales, all of that, because people will be actually getting your emails, and if you make them more interesting, they will be reading your emails as well. And guys, here I have a bunch of bonuses which I have received from my mentor Jonah Armstrong, and he has put some bonuses which are meant to complement this product and help you get the best out of it. So the first one is Access SEO Studio, so about search engine optimization, about ranking high. And next one is how to build a website for dummies. A website is a must, and it's not a rocket science to build it. It's like a good training on how to actually do that. Bonus page builder tutorial is bonus number 3. And then we have access to high ticket mastery for how to sell high ticket products and all of that. And you know, obviously the commissions are through the roof if you sell those products. And then we have all of the vendor bonuses. So guys, the way to buy it is via the link below my video. Once you're on this bonus page, just smash this green button here, and that will take you to the sales page where you click for instant access, and that's how you buy it. Now once you've bought it, you will receive an email with a receipt that will send you to Warrior Plus. Now my bonuses will be here, and the Inbox Equalizer will be under this green button. Alright, the almighty. Guys, that was my Inbox Equalizer review. So if that's something for you, I don't know if I should like strongly recommend it or not. I mean, I guess like in my opinion, it's for people who already have an email list and who want to improve their email marketing skills, and who want to make sure that like their emails go to the inbox, not the junk box. Yeah. So that's what it is in a nutshell. If that's for you guys, I would really be happy if you could buy it from me. If not, that's cool. That's all good. You know, I shall see you in my next review. Ciao, have a beautiful day.